Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I'm going to connect Claude AI with Canva and I'll try to create some images using Claude and the Canva connection. I asked Claude AI what we can do by connecting Claude and the Canva. Here is the answer. Generating designs from the text prompts, describe what you want, and Claude can kick off a Canva design for you. Creating presentation and slide decks, marketing materials, logo and branding assets, infographics, social media graphics, documents and reports. So all these tasks can be done using a simple prompt in Claude AI. So now first we are going to make a connection. Here I'm using Claude AI free version and I do have the Canva Pro version which I'm going to connect with Claude AI. So let's go to Claude. We are on the dashboard. In the left hand panel you will see customize option. Let's go to customize. If you do not have Claude AI account, you can go to Claude.ai website and create a free account for you. You can also create a free account on Canva and you can create images using the Canva free account also. Here under customize, you will see the option connectors. Click on connectors and click on plus sign. Click on browse connectors and it will give you a list of connections that you can make. Let's search for Canva. Here you will see the Canva. Let's click on it. Search, create, autofill and export Canva designs. Let's click on connect. Now here I'm already logged into my Canva account and it is asking me permission to connect the Claude AI, so I'm going to allow it. Authorization is successful. Now here under connectors you will see we have a connection Canva and all these are the permissions. Alright, now let's go to a new chat. I'm going to add a new prompt here. I want to create some images. This is a prompt. Write 5 tips and tricks for following topics. So I have 5 different topics here: website design, Elementor website, WooCommerce website and Claude AI. One tip and trick for each topic. Use these 5 tips and tricks to create images for social media posts. Use emojis. These are the instructions. Use a dark blue and dark green color. Keep the same colors for all the images and create 5 images in 9:16 image ratio. So this is the image ratio that I want, and use the attached logo on each image. So I'm going to attach a logo which I want on each image. Right, so click on the plus sign here and add file. This is the logo that I want. So the logo is uploaded. Let's hit enter. Let's see if we can create 5 images using Canva and Claude AI connection. So first it is going to write 5 tips and tricks for images. It is working on it.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
Alright, so this is the first image. Now it is working on the second one. The second topic is Elementor website, tip number 2. Now it is working on the third one, I think. Now remember, here I'm using the Claude AI free version. Tip number 3 for WordPress website. Always use a child theme. This is what the tip number 3. Alright, now let's go to the next tip, that is tip number 4, and it is for the WooCommerce website. Now it is going to the next tip, that is the 5th one for the Claude AI. So these are the 5 tips and tricks and it has generated 5 different images. Alright, so the images are created but I do not see the logo on each image. So I'm going to tell Claude that the logo is missing. Alright, so it says you're right, the logo cannot be embedded directly in SVG. Let me create the images properly using Canva, which will also store them in Canva projects. Alright, so I think these are the 4 different styles for the tip number 1. It is working on the second one, I think. Alright, so it has created multiple layouts. Alright, this one is for the WordPress. This one is for WooCommerce. Alright, so it says all 5 designs have been generated and are now saved in your Canva projects. These are the 5 topics and tips. Alright, so next steps are to add your logo. Pick your preferred design from each set of 4 options shown above. Tell me which candidate you like. For example, use design 1 for tip 1, design 3 for tip 2, etc. And then I'll save those to your Canva account. Okay, so I'm going to enter the same prompt here. Allow. Now it is asking me to grant the permission, so I'm going to allow the Claude to connect with Canva. It says design is saved. Now let me upload the logo to Canva and add it to design. Alright, this is the logo. Alright, so I'm going to keep it as it is. Let's go to Canva and let's refresh it. And here you will see the new image that we created using Claude. So I'm going to click on it. And here I can make changes manually. So I can go to this image, I can delete it, and I can upload my own image here. Let's go to uploads. Here I have a logo, so I'm going to delete this one also and just add my logo here. Alright, so I can make the changes manually inside the Canva. Using Claude, I can create a layout and use that layout inside Canva itself. I'm going to increase the text here. I'm going to increase the text size here. Alright, and this is the hashtag. Also, let's change the color. So some changes you can make manually inside Canva. So this is going to be a new image that we created using Claude AI. You can save it, click on share, and you can download this image and use this image. Save it, and it's done. So if you want to create images using a text prompt, you can connect Claude AI with Canva and create images using Claude AI. Remember, I'm using free version of Claude AI. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips